So I'm going to show, for my vector drawing, I'm not going to draw the pie. I decided to do something a little more fun. And I decided that since the holidays for Halloween, I'm going to draw a pumpkin. So in order to draw a pumpkin, to start off, we need to make a circle. And we get our circle like this. Make it a little bit bigger. And most pumpkins are orange, so we're going to make an orange pumpkin. And we want to click our pointer key. And then we're going to come here, and we can change the pumpkin size by moving that around, or our circle size, I should say. And we're going to move this in, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do a right click. By doing a right click, it actually makes another circle. We're going to do this again. Make another right click. Move it in one more time. Make a right click. So now I more or less have 4 circles in a row. And what I want to do is I want to hold the shift key, and I'm going to click all 4 of those circles. Then I'm going to do a right click. I'm going to do a copy, which isn't there. So let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. There's our copy key. And now we're going to paste. What it does is it actually pasted the circles right on top of each other. So you need to come to the side here and grab it and swing it over. Now we have the circles on either side. The easiest way to do this is to use the arrow key and move it in. So we move this in until they connect right here. And now you have your pumpkin more or less. But we're not done. What we need to do is we need to get the middle here. So we click on our circle again. And we make this here. And we want to make this out a little bit here. And then we want to do it again one more time to get our pumpkin. And now, as you can see, we actually do have a pumpkin. Looks like a pumpkin. It's a fairly good pumpkin. But all pumpkins have stems. We need to make a stem. To make a stem, the easiest way is to make a square. And then what we want to do is we want to go to Object, come down to Convert to Curves, and then you're going to click on the Shape tool. We need to put a point inside of our square here. Once we put that on there, then we're able to go up to here to the Smooth node. What this does is it allows us to grab these corners, and we can change them. So now we have our, hit the pointer button again. Now we have our stem, but we still need to add some color to it. So you go to here, and then you go to Object Properties. And in Object Properties, this is going to be your outline or your line color. This is going to be your fill color. So we want the fill color. And then we have different ways. I want to do the uniform fill. And then the stem that I want, it's more of like a reddish brown color. So I'm going to bring it over here to that brownish looking color. You can close that, which will zoom this in a little bit. So now we have a brown stem. And we're going to take that stem and we're going to put it right there. Now unfortunately that stem is on the outside of our pumpkin. So what we want to do is we want to do a right click on that. You go to Object, go to Order, and you want to go to Back of Layer. And what that's going to do is it's going to hide that picture behind our pumpkin. So now it actually looks like a pumpkin with a stem. And now you've made your first pumpkin.